Welcome to Planning for Adventure. We're a neurodivergent, slightly crazy at times Swedish-American family, sharing our ups and downs through our love for our family and struggles with chronic illness, all the while looking forward to planning for a life of gratitude and adventure. We'd love to have you along for the ride.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to do a bunch of stuff. We are hanging out, going to the cafe, checking out the town of Jakobstad, as well as I've got some shows and stuff that I need to be streaming from the van. So music, coffee, the good stuff.
We're also going to be tackling a new DIY project for the van and turning it into a place where 4 of us can sleep comfortably. So if you didn't already know this, we do spend most of our summers in Finland because we have family there as well. So it's like the whole crazy crew gets together, and it's so much fun to have like all the different ages of cousins just hanging out and just being silly together. It's a blast. And nothing beats quality time with the kids. And yeah, I've been coming here every summer since I was a kid, but now there's Wi-Fi, which is nice, because that means I can still stream concerts and things like that and work from the van. We didn't have that in the 80s. Come to think of it, we didn't have running water here either. So there's that.
Det är väldigt mycket som är inte ens ett leende alltså. Som ska vara kul.
Men tror inte att det är mycket saker som försvinner i den sociala tolkningen? Humor har en tendens att förflytta sig generationsmässigt. Det finns saker som mina barn tycker är väldigt roliga nu som jag tycker så här. Ungefär.
Det finns saker man tittade på som man tyckte var kul förut som man inte tycker är roligt längre. Det här var så bra. Jag skrattade så mycket när jag såg den här för 20 år sedan. Ja, jag var den ut bara. Ja, den var sämst.
Jag hade hört mycket gott om White Chicks.
Ja.
Jag älskar White Chicks.
Det är så bra.
Jag älskar White Chicks. So the town that we're close by is Jakobstad or Pietarsaari. It has 2 names because it is Swedish-Finnish. And ice cream in the park is the best. And it needs to be instilled in the younger generation as well. It doesn't hurt that there's a stage there. Some things are hereditary. It's pretty cool though to be able to get that feeling of just being out in the countryside, but also having a really awesome town. You can go in, grab some coffee with the girls, you know, all the good stuff. And then just go and enjoy ice cream, more ice. There's always a lot of ice cream.
Oh no! Oh no!
So if you happen to be in that part of Finland, in Jakobstad, that area, make sure to go to Fäboda because it is beautiful with the view of the sea and the trees and the rocks. I love it. Ginger issues. When everybody else is enjoying the sunshine, I'm looking for the only shady spot here. I caved and finally got a ridiculously big water bottle. It's so nice to be able to come here and just like enjoy our time together. It's I think it's a special thing that everybody kind of like. It's a bit chaotic when everybody's here at the same time, but it's also kind of what makes it special. It's puppy time. Daisy, are you okay? Daisy, what are you doing?
Oh God,
What's she doing?
she's stuck all the can't get off the rock. You know what Grandma says.
Baby.
That's him.
Oh, hey, 150. Oh wow.
Oh.
No,
Try again.
Daddy's scooter.
Good job, Charlie.
Wow.
Let's do it again.
Do it again.
Yes.
One
This
more time.
time David goes first.
Oh,
100.
now it's Charlie or me? It's
Daddy.
Bipsy Boopsy Bopsy Boopsy.
Yay!
Charlie wins!
Today we've got a bit of a project going. Whenever we are in the van with the kids, we always have the issue of who's going to sleep where.
And I kind of had an idea about how to fix it today. So we're gonna do a little bit of sawing. I'm not sure we have a good saw, but we'll see what we can find. That's not a bad saw.
Bad saw? No.
No, that works, right?
I didn't see that. I only noticed them. You see them?
Yeah, that might not have been a fun project. This will work out perfect. Right now, we've got a double mattress and then we have 2 singles right under it or on top of it at the moment. But the plan is that when we do have the kids with us, we can take one of those singles and put it here in the front to make a bed here in the front, and then one can be on the floor. That way we have sleeping rooms for 4. So in order to make this into more of a bed, because Elliot has slept here before, but it's no fun when you have this big hole in the middle, we're gonna make like a thing. Thing is not necessarily the technical term. What I mean is we're gonna make like a plank kind of sort of thing to bridge over between the passenger and the driver's seat. That way we can put the mattress on top of it and it makes a nice bed for Elliot. It's been so much easier other times when we've had good tools with us. And the thing is, we're used to always kind of having tools here because there's always some big project happening more or less every summer for the past 5 years. So this year we didn't really bring anything with us. And it's like, oh.
Ner i och bara ta ut.
A little bit too tight, but not that bad.
No, it's not too bad.
Det är här. Den ska ut. Precis. Det kan vi göra här.
This should fit perfectly. Well,
it's a bit too tight here.
Huh.
So we need to cut out a little bit more.
Do we?
Yep. The best thing would have been to take a bit of cardboard and just make a template, you know?
Yeah, that would have been smart. We'll do that next time.
Next time, well, like I said, a template made out of that, since we have cardboard, would have been the easiest way to do this.
We don't do easy.
Attempt 4. Attempt 5. And that is perfect.
Yeah. Perfect.
Go.
There you go.
There you go, Harry.
Okay, mattress time. Let's just check it out. Well, like, I think it'd be better to have a mattress that was actually shaped for it. But I mean, this way he gets a bit of a wall too.
Hey, look at that, huh?
I mean, that's not too bad.
Yeah.
I think it'll work, right?
be hard to drive though.
Yeah, well,
Nej, men jag ska ju ligga ner så vi ska köra på natten så att jag måste kunna lägga mig ner och vila.
I think it turned out pretty good. We're gonna have Elliot take a test nap later. Maybe not, but at least he can try it out and see how it fits.
Just a minute, I gotta go to bed. Good night.
Grandma can get up here.
Grandma's gonna test sleep on Elliot's bed.
Yeah.
What if it breaks? Where is it?
It won't break. You've got it's a good sized plank.
Yeah, look at Mom is trying it out.
New bed! Yay! Can you fit okay there?
It's the night bus.
How does it feel?
Let me join you.
Yay!
Looks very good. Good job.
Well, we are lucking out because we do have the possibility to do a mattress specifically for there.
Perfect.
So, feels like it's finally coming together. Is that one better than the other one? You can't really feel the wooden board now. Is it dad approved?
It is, but we need to cut out a little bit more here. Otherwise we're gonna, if I'm on it, this plastic is gonna...
Well, luckily you're not on it.
Yes, exactly.
I am so excited about how the bed turned out, and with the mattress, now that it's like cut out to fit, it's perfect. It is really, really good. And even the kids are really liking it, which is a big plus. You know that it's good and that it's teenage approved when the kids just hang out there on their phones. I think that's like the highest teenager approval grade you can get.
The really great thing with this is that it basically turns the camper into something that works for everybody. Before it's been really cramped, but this way the kids are happy, the dog is happy, which basically means that we're all pretty darn happy. Time to go for a swim.
If you do like these videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys back here next week. Bye-bye.